Just a quick one today. I saw SciManDan's video now about Joe Mama here claiming that some microwave links over the Mediterranean of 150 miles should be impossible. So SciManDan presented a map here. If these coordinates are the correct one, there really isn't any problem on the globe. I found these coordinates on Google Earth, and up here from link 1 the elevation is just about 700 meters, 690. On the other link across the waters there, the elevation is 2000 meters, 2010, 2013. And all of it here goes over the water. Somehow they say that this is impossible on the globe. This time I'm not going to bother with the flat earth, because that of course wouldn't be any problems. There's 700 meters here and 2000 meters there, and that's the distance. But even if it is a globe, there's 135 meters of clearance on the lowest point here. These microwaves clears the globe by 135 meters. So this is what you see on the other side of the Mediterranean. There is plenty much to go on. There is no problems whatsoever. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye bye.